10. Nung Nung Waterfall, Bali, Indonesia. Our journey begins in the heart of Bali, Indonesia, at the Nung Nung Waterfall. This hidden gem is a paradise for nature lovers. Surrounded by lush greenery and framed by massive rocks, the waterfall presents a breathtaking spectacle. The thunderous sound of the cascading water harmonizes with the serene ambiance, creating a symphony of nature that resonates deep within the soul. Whether you're an adventurer seeking thrill or a traveler seeking tranquility, Nung Nung Waterfall is the perfect destination. The sight of the water thundering down into the pool below is a spectacle of nature's majesty, a sight that will leave you speechless. This waterfall is a hidden gem, offering a tranquil escape from the bustling tourist spots. Its cascading waters and the melodious sounds of nature create an atmosphere of peace and tranquility. 9. El Meco Waterfall, San Luis Potosi, Mexico. Journey to the vibrant landscapes of San Luis Potosi, Mexico, where the El Meco Waterfall stands as a testament to nature's grandeur. From an aerial perspective, the waterfall appears as a silver ribbon, gracefully cutting through the verdant Mexican landscape. The sight of the water plunging into the turquoise pool below is a mesmerizing spectacle. This waterfall is a testament to the untamed beauty that Mexico has to offer, a sight that will leave you captivated. The bird's eye view reveals the waterfall's majestic flow, cascading down into a turquoise pool. This waterfall is a testament to the raw power and beauty of nature, making it a must-visit for any waterfall enthusiast. 8. Niagara Falls, USA, Canada. Next, we find ourselves at the iconic Niagara Falls, straddling the border between the USA and Canada. Known worldwide for its sheer scale and grandeur, Niagara Falls never fails to impress. The roar of the water and the mist that rises like smoke is a sensory experience that stays with you long after you've left. It's a symbol of nature's grandeur and power, a sight that will leave you captivated. This is one of the most famous waterfalls in the world, and there is plenty of footage available. The Niagara Falls continues to captivate audiences with its awe-inspiring spectacle of cascading waters. 7. Ristafallet Waterfall, Jämtland, Sweden. Our journey takes us next to the picturesque landscapes of Jämtland, Sweden. Here, the Ristafallet Waterfall awaits, a site that is often listed as one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Sweden. The water dances down the rocks, creating a spectacle that's both tranquil and awe-inspiring. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the rhythm of nature, a place where every moment is a memory in the making. The waterfall's serene surroundings make it a perfect spot for relaxation and reflection. 6. Seljalandsfoss Waterfall, Iceland. From Sweden, we venture to the land of fire and ice, Iceland, to witness the Seljalandsfoss Waterfall. Unique in its own right, this waterfall offers the rare opportunity to actually walk behind the cascading water. As the sun sets, the water takes on a golden hue, creating a scene that's straight out of a fairy tale. It's a spectacle of nature's majesty, as it's truly a beautiful sight. The play of light and shadow, coupled with the cascading waters, creates a spectacle that is truly unforgettable. 5. Calendula Falls, Angola. Next, we find ourselves in Angola at the Calendula Falls. The close-up shots of this waterfall reveal the power and majesty of the water as it crashes down. It's a place that showcases the beauty of Angola's landscapes. The Calendula Falls is a spectacle of nature's majesty, a sight that will leave you in awe. The thunderous roar of the water, the spray of the mist, and the rainbow that often graces the falls create a sensory experience that is both captivating and unforgettable. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the rhythm of nature, a place where every moment is a memory in the making. 4. Iguazu Falls, Argentina, Brazil. From the landscapes of Africa, we journey to the border of Argentina and Brazil, where the majestic Iguazu Falls awaits. This expansive waterfall system is a sight to behold. The endless cascade of water creates a spectacle of unparalleled beauty. The Iguazu Falls is a testament to how gorgeous nature is, a sight that will leave you captivated. The sight of the water plunging from such great heights, framed by the lush rainforest, is a sight that will leave with your jaw on the ground. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the rhythm of nature, a place where every moment is a memory in the making. 3. Yosemite Falls, USA. Next, we travel to the heart of Yosemite National Park in the USA. where the Yosemite Falls stands tall. Towering over the stunning Yosemite Valley, this waterfall is a testament to the grandeur of the American wilderness. The sight of the water plunging from such great heights, framed by the iconic Yosemite landscape, is a sight that will leave you breathless. Whether you're an adventurer seeking thrill or a traveler seeking tranquility, Yosemite Falls is the perfect destination. The sight of the water thundering down into the valley below is a spectacle of nature's majesty, a sight that will leave you yearning for more. 2. Plitvice Lakes, Croatia. Next, we find ourselves in Croatia at the Plitvice Lakes. This national park is a spectacle of nature's beauty, with cascading waterfalls and crystal-clear lakes creating a landscape that is both serene and breathtaking. The interplay of water, rock, and vegetation creates a vibrant tapestry of color, a sight that will leave you captivated. Whether you're exploring the park's many trails or simply taking in the view, Plitvice Lakes offers a unique blend of adventure and tranquility. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the rhythm of nature, a place where every moment is a memory in the making. 1. Gullfoss Falls, Iceland. Finally, we end our journey in Iceland at the Gullfoss Falls. This waterfall, whose name means Golden Falls, is a testament to the raw power and beauty of nature. Its cascading waters create a thunderous roar, while the surrounding landscape is a sight of pure beauty. The waterfall's golden hue, from which it derives its name, creates a spectacle that is both unique and awe-inspiring. Whether you're a nature enthusiast or a seasoned traveler, the Gullfoss Falls is a destination that should not be missed. The sight of the water thundering down into the river below is a spectacle of nature's majesty, a sight that will make you want to come back for years.